Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty by Tellie. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click the subscribe button and follow my blog beauty-by-tellie.com. I wonder if Kracie from Beauty Bar can bring this in. I would so love them. So anyway, this kit is like, I think a pizza and soft drink kit. I love junk food kits from Kracie Popin Cookin. And so we begin. So by the cover, I can tell you have two kinds of pizza. I already know this is gonna be another origami box. I'm thinking about not doing it, but then I feel like this sort of pressure that I have to complete everything for the video. What a life is life. And then I'm also seeing a picture of a microwave, so I think I'm gonna have to use the microwave. I don't know if it's just me, it smelled like fart. Oh my gosh, is this like true to taste? So I'm just begrudgingly doing the box. I've cut wherever there are solid lines, and where there are broken lines, I just make creases along them. And wherever there are star marks, I just tuck it in behind the adjacent flap. Alright, so this is the box. I think that went much faster than the donut one. Two groupings of the sachet, a spoon, and a cute cup! And then the mixing bowls. The packet has a red, green, and purple sachet. This one has blue, orange, yellow, and brown. So first, cut all the segments that you need to cut. So take the musical note tray, take the yellow sachet, add 2 cups of water. It smells so much like real potato. And the next step is to put it on this mold. I'm gonna make sure that you don't have air bubbles. So I'm just gonna microwave this in 600 watts for 30 seconds and I'll be right back. So I've just microwaved the potato. Texture didn't change much. I think it just became more firm. It has this cute base design. I'm just gonna chop it on the chopping block. I love how the spoon exactly cuts the potato. Take the decorative papers and set the potatoes aside on that for a bit. Clean the musical note cup and take the orange sachet. Just add 2 cups of water to that mix and mix thoroughly. Oh my gosh, this really smells like tomato ketchup. Set that aside, take the star cup and take the big orange sachet. Add 4 cups of water. Oh no! The dough is not forming that well, so I'm just gonna add spoonfuls of water until it does. That's what it says in the instruction anyway. So we have what looks like whole wheat dough. Split the dough ball into 2 and roll each. And then you're supposed to take 1 ball at a time and press it on the pizza box. There you will see just how wide the pizza has to be. I really love how the pizza dough looks like real fibrous, bready, and aerated dough. Like there's like air bubbles even. Clean the musical note box again and take the blue sachet. Mix it with just 1 scoop of water. Put the cheese ball on the chopping board and slice it into little grated cheese-like bits. Next is the beef topping. Take the brown sachet and cut it on the topmost line. Take the star box again and add 2 scoops of water to the brown sachet mix. Put the mixture back into the brown sachet and seal it by folding along the dotted lines. Now we're ready to assemble the pizza. First, I'm gonna take the tomato sauce we prepared earlier and just spread it across the dough. Taking half the cheese we cut earlier, I'm just gonna spread it evenly on the surface of this pizza. Then taking our beef bag, I'm just gonna squeeze out a little at a time and cut out some beef chunks for the toppings. I thought this step was super fun. I'm just gonna use the free spoon to take the whole pizza out so that I have space to decorate my other pizza. Do the same steps for the tomato sauce and the cheese, but this time I'm gonna use a vegetable topping. You take the green sachet and arrange the fake vegetables on top of your pizza. So these are my 2 Kracie pizzas uncooked. I'm just gonna take them to the microwave, cook them under 600 watts for 50 seconds, and then I'm gonna show you what we come up. Oh my god, guys! Kaka-microwave ko lang! I don't know, can you see? Oh my god, super amoy pizza niya. And even how it looks like. Medyo nagkulang lang ako sa cheese, but the beef looks like beef. The dough looks a little weird, but even the like fake vegetables, they changed in appearance, making cute siya. Oh my god, guys. So cute. Take the soda cup and put water, leaving 1 centimeter of space on top, and then add the purple sachet. Oh my god! Hey! Don't overflow. Okay. Shucks! Para talaga siyang soda. I would so love to eat this, but it's expired. Just take all the pieces and arrange them all cutely together. And there! Oh my gosh! It's so cute! Sobrang mas favor ko talaga, guys, yung mga junk food na crazy kesa sa cakes. My favorite would have to be junk food. Next is traditional Japanese food, like yung mga sushi or tamago or whatever. And then last talaga yung cakes. So yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!